David Schultz here at the Elliots, October 18th, beautiful fall day. We've got A1 Construction. There's Bill, the owner, with the hose, just kind of wetting the area down, give a little moisture. And Jimmy, Daryl, and Dale there on the end of the rakes. We've got a nice color in there, harvest brown. Go real good with the building. It's the only concrete company I've ever used here in Salida. These guys really know what they're doing. We've got a conveyor here so they can get back in and get the concrete where they need it.
Am I clear of the garage and I get to swing all the way over that way, or do I need to wait a little while? Go ahead. That's fine. I just can't tell if I'm right. That's why you're sure that, just let me know. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Move the bottom foot. Your foot will be all right. All right.
We're going to come through the garage, and they've got everything taped off so they don't see anything. There's Dale. He's starting to work backwards. Tapping the forms to get the air out. Give you a nice finish on those curves. Now we'll float it a little bit. That is going to look sharp. I'm going to back up here a little bit and we'll show you the form work. We've put just some nice radiuses and everything. Coming through here. This is a hot tub pad. We have a little corner to add there where you see the fluorescent paint. They'll round that out, and the hot tub will sit just the other side of that drain. We'll put that down so it's the same level as the slab and put a flat plug in it. And there we have a step coming down off the patio area. Things are shaping up. We'll do this in 2 pours, so they'll be here hopefully tomorrow and do the second pour. Take some, there's only 4 of them, so they don't want to put too much concrete down, not be able to finish what they start. And as I pan back here, we've left one of the fence posts out here so that the truck will be able to back in through there. And this is the crusher fines we use just for a preliminary finish on the landscape. And again, another beautiful day here in Salida. Dave Schultz, so long for now.